everyone, I'm Nikole from the YouTube channel HealthNut Nutrition, and I'm here today with Kid Food Nation and two very special guests, Elise and Kamari. Welcome, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for letting us come here.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm super excited because today we're gonna be making easy and healthier back to school snacks that require no baking. So we are gonna be making my peanut butter chocolate chip oat bites. And what I love about this recipe is that it's all made in one easy bowl. So it's really easy to make. And we're using peanut butter, but you can use sun butter if you wanna make it nut-free for schools or allergies. It's really customizable. So we're first gonna start with the wet ingredients. Now, Elise, I'm gonna get you to, if you wanna put in the maple syrup right into the bowl. So you can get everyone involved in this. And then we have some vanilla, peanut butter.
I kind of wanted to add it.
Here, you wanna get the spatula? There you go. And then we're just gonna stir that all together.
Looks good.
It already smells good. Can you smell that peanut butter?
I smell the vanilla.
The vanilla, so good.
Looks crunchy.
We have some rolled oats here. Just throw that right in. Perfect. We have some ground flaxseed, which is really good, high in fiber. Go ahead, add that right in. And then we have some cinnamon and sea salt. Kamari, if you want to add that in. We'll do the chocolate chips last. Yep, throw that in.
Chocolate chip.
Okay, let's just mix this up.
Mixing, mixing, mix.
Mix, mix, mix. So if you want to add in the chocolate chips, we'll get those in. There we have it. So we're gonna roll these up into a little energy bites.
Not like with your hands, but like.
We have you can do it with your hands, but we're gonna use a ice cream scoop and we're gonna roll these into some bites. So I have a cookie tray here. I'm gonna hand them over to you guys. Squish them together, roll them into balls. There you go.
This is a big bowl.
So these have been chilling in the fridge and they are ready to eat. So you guys wanna grab one? Go ahead, take a bite, dig in, any one that you want. It's good?
Yummy.
So all three recipes are gonna be available at kidfoodnation.com. You guys can check them out there. Super easy, healthier after school snacks that will keep you fueled before dinner time. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you guys soon. Bye. Awesome job, guys, high fives.